I think what I've wanted out of this program is to get to know my strengths, get to learn about myself. On that part, I can say it exceeded my expectations, because it was just like looking really like a zoom in into my real strengths, and understanding that what is really driving me to choose what I do for living, I would say. Why I'm interested in strategic decisions and making, etc., at work and in coaching. So that significance was really an eye-opener for me. All these strengths appeared, and then I really learned about myself, and now I understand like who I am and how I can use these skills and strengths. So yeah, in this regard, like out of my, basically exceeded my expectations. Now the third part is getting a skill to help others to see that strength individually and as a team. So it's a growth area, and I think it's a good moment. So once I understand like who I am, now I can like help others to understand who they are, and etc. The 37% of organizations are utilizing team coaching. It's a growth area. So for me, and you mentioned that the companies are utilizing team coaches to help with their budget optimizations. Yeah. So for me, when I read your text, I was like, wow, it's me. Like it can be my niche. Yeah. So I didn't think about that. And then I became so excited about, wow, this is really like great deal. So I'm good in budgeting and optimizing cost management. This I've been doing for the last 4 years, and getting this team coaching skill, I think it could be a very good combination for monetization. And I plan to starting next year to start monetizing my coaching and get more clients. I would say we had the different experiences and dynamics, and I'm very grateful for this experience. Yeah, I'm very grateful for Connie, for Prav, for Nicole, and Pui and his team to get together into this journey. So a lot of like emotions, a lot of like aha moments, growth opportunity. So I thank you, Timur, for giving this first of all opportunity. I think this program needs this type of team, because at the start we may not have a team, but I think this part made the team coaching program very strong. When you have experience and you provided the team, it was part of the learning and growth. I think it was very, very useful. So thank you for that. So team coaching is specifically, this program is focused on strengths-based. And like Connie said, yes, it's a unique program. Nobody is teaching it in terms of the strengths-based development. So I would say if you really want to know how to work with the team strengths and understand how they can be more effective and more efficient, I think this program is for you. And I would highlight that Timur instructor is one of the best trainers in terms of the getting the information, explaining things, providing feedback, and pinpoint like what you really need to focus to be able to grow. Because not many coaches are good trainers, and therefore I chosen ICE because of, first of all, of you. So I like the way you train, and it's very memorable. Yeah, so thank you for you. that.